not horizontal.
Well, what vertical?
Right, I'm going to put this in low range because I didn't last time and I regretted it.
Oh, there's a range there somewhere.
There is a range there, so I think I have to do stationary.
Go on, where are we going?
I told you, you need to hold on.
I was holding on. Here we go.
First it had a really tiny steering wheel on it, and then I found the bloke gave me one for free, and it was an old Series 2 wheel, and it had no rubberisation on it, of course you just couldn't grip it, it just disintegrated in your hand. Oh, let's do it, let's do the Easter egg bit. Oh god, didn't do it last time, so you know, give it a go. Doesn't look too bad. Sideways lump basically. It's got those lifts the wheel. Full lock. This is the jolt back from last time, Sam, so hold on.
I didn't hold on!
I told you to hold on! At least you had a warning that time. Not my fault. You were warned.
My butt got airtime!
Well, listen to get some more.
Fucking hell! Yeah, just have to wait for the one front. I just told you it was going to be bouncer in the back. Oh yeah, I remember this one. That's right here. Sorry, I got to fall in the ditch. A little bit, yeah.
Series 1.